Welcome to the guide of using SmartEReply for crafting personalized recommendations on LinkedIn. First, open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn on your desktop. Once you are on LinkedIn, go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the screen. Scroll down your profile until you reach the Recommendations section. In the Recommendations section, click on the plus icon to start giving a recommendation. Choose the person you want to recommend from your connections. Fill in the required details, such as their relationship to you and their position at the time. Now, click on the SmartEReply icon to start generating your recommendation. Select the purpose, tone, and language for your recommendation. Click Generate and let SmartEReply create a beautifully crafted recommendation for you. Click on Insert. Finally, click to submit. Thank you.